Hi guys! So for today's video, itatry natin yung BLK Cosmetics Fresh Collection. And I specifically got yung Cocoa Crush shade. So meron ako ng creamy all over paint. And then I also have yung lip and cheek tint. And then I also have yung Tinted Balm. Kaya lang yung Tinted Balm pala is in the shade Watermelon. Kasi parang yun yung napusuan kong shades. So we have 3 shades that we're going to try, and hindi ako bumili ng sobrang daming products kasi hindi man ako masyado na-excite dun sa skincare channel yung sa spray and everything. Pero eto talaga, etong tatlong na to yung talagang target cut na pusuan ko. So it's just going to be a get ready with me. So go get your makeup guys, or go get your snacks and join me as I get ready. So kung fresh lang naman ang usapan, to prep my face, I'm going to use itong Sun Glow by Fresh Sun Mist. Going to do my brows muna, pero off-cam na para mabilis. For my face, I'm going to use itong tinted sunscreen from Sun Glow by Fresh again. I'm just going to add a little bit dun sa high points. Okay, so I guess it's time for us to explore the products, you guys. Unahin natin tong Tinted Lip Balm, and I got the shade Watermelon. This is what it looks like. It's actually a twist cap. Ayan. Very comparable siya dun sa lip screen ng Sun Glow by Fresh. So, isa-swatch ko muna siya. And, para siyang mauvey pink, you guys. It's not that super bright in person, and it's really glossy. And lasa nga siyang watermelon. Yeah. Pero alam mo yung may lasa pa rin pagka-cosmetics. Naka-fresh lang. So this is what the Watermelon Tinted Lip Balm looks like on the lips. Wala siyang kakulay dun sa lip screen ng Sun Glow by Fresh ni na May and Ray. I think it's a different color. It has a different character. Pero ganda. Subtle ano lang siya. Subtle hint of pink. Next thing we're going to try is itong creamy all over paint, and I got the shade Cocoa Crush. Sa lahat ng shade na pinakita nila, dito talaga ako na in love because parang feeling ko it has a warm brownie pink texture. So it looks like this. Yung katulad ng lip paint nila, and nakakaloka talaga tong doe foot applicator nila dahil pagkataba-taba, pagkalaki-laki. Ito lang ang ayoko dito, yung doe foot applicator, because it's so big. Ah, it's so nice. So you can use this on your lips, your cheeks, and on your eyelids. Medyo liquidy siya. It smells like coconut, like hindi ba, parang gata. So this is what Cocoa Crush looks like. Crush of burnt orange. Tingnan natin kapag ka naka smudge. Actually guys, I swatched this yesterday on my lips. Hindi ko lang masyadong tinignan. Nilagay ko lang siya sa labi ko and then hinayaan ko na lang. And habang tumatagal, it's going to dry into a semi-matte, pero hindi siya transfer proof, or ayun na, pag naka-ano siya, if you're going to use it as a blush, hindi siya transfer proof, hindi siya kiss proof, and matatanggal siya pag kumain ka. But yeah, this is Cocoa Crush. The last thing we're going to try is yung Lip and Cheek Tint. Ito yung pinaka-last na ito-try natin kasi feeling ko ito yung mag-sustain. And oh my god, ang taba na ng kanilang Lip and Cheek Tint. Dati kasi ang liit. Ngayon, pinataba na. So, it looks like this. Super simple, super sleek. I like it. And again, I got the shade Cocoa Crush then. Para siyang may jelly consistency. Hindi siya yung parang liquid lang talaga. Nakalimutan ko swatch. Ayan, oh. So, medyo hawig nga siya ng Cocoa Crush na ano, na yung cream, all over cream. What? Creamy all over paint. May pagka, alam mo yun, burnt orange, brown shade. But this is what it looks like on your lips. Ganda rin. Kaya lang medyo sticky. Pero hindi naman super bothering. For our full face today, I'm going to use itong creamy all over paint for the eyes. I'm going to try to add a little bit na malapit sa lash area to darken it a little bit. Parang ang tagal niya mag-set. Parang masyado siyang basa. Alam mo yun? Ayan, nag-move pa siya. I can use an eyeliner. Gusto ko solo lang yung creamy paint sa eyes ko. So, mag-apply lang ako ng 5 kilong mascara. For my blush, I'm going to use yung Lip and Cheek Tint. But I'm not gonna directly put it on my face. Dito muna siya. I swear you guys, parang siyang medyo may jelly consistency. And then for the lips, let's go for the lip balm. Alright guys, so we are done with our face. So nag-contour lang ako ng very slight and nag-add ng a little bit of highlight. What can I say about the 3 products that we tried? Honestly, nag-enjoy naman akong gamitin siya. Medyo natagalan lang ako dito sa creamy all over paint na mag-set sa eyes mo. So parang feeling ko kailangan meron kang nakalapat na foundation na BB cream and then iset mo muna yun with a little bit of powder saka mo gamitin to. Kasi parang ang tagal niya talagang mag-set. Tapos medyo nagka-crease siya, guys. Hindi siya yung parang lapat ng bonggang-bongga. So, hindi mo siya magagamit. Parang ang charat gamitin ng ganito kakapal. Pang ano lang talaga siya. Yung parang slight natural look lang. Hindi siya yung pang ganito ka grabihan. Itong lip and cheek tint, okay naman siya. Kaya lang, if you have dry skin, if you have dry patches, magka-cling siya talaga dun sa mga dry patches mo. Ayan o, may mga dry patches ako. So, parang meron siyang medyo batik-batik or parang may namuunang slide. Oo, yun lang hindi ko bet dito. Pero okay siya sa lips. It's not drying and maganda yung itsura niya sa lips. Sa lip balm, wala kang masabi dito. I like this. Very comparable nga siya dun sa Sun Glow lip screen. So, kung meron kang hindi nabitang shades, or kung meron ka pang gustong ibang shades na idagdag dun sa Sun Glow Fresh by Fresh lip screen mo, kunin mo na dito sa BLK. Very similar lang sila for me. Masasabi ko sa tatlong products na tinry natin, sana kahit pa paano nag-enjoy kayo sa ating little get ready with me, and nakatulong ako sa decision making mo if you wanna try or if you wanna buy these products. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have video requests. Again, thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!